Hi, this is Vikas from CWB. In today's video, we are going to learn about variable and their types. Before we start, let me introduce the IDE that we are going to use in our learning journey. Okay, so the IDE is QB64. It also mentioned here. Just go and download from your favorite browser. Okay, so now let's start. So these are the types in QBasic to hold the variable in memory. Okay, so first thing, integer takes 16-bit signed integer. Signed means it can hold positive and negative value also. The long is it is 32-bit signed integer. It is also integer, but it holds more data because the memory size it can hold more. Next is single holds the data, contains floating value. Okay, it is a 4 bytes double. It also can behave like single, but it holds more data because it consumes more memory. Let's come to a string. This is different from integer, long, single, and double. As I mentioned here, string is dynamic in size. That means it can hold memory depend on how much you are storing data in it. Okay. Now here I mentioned a formula to calculate how much data the variable or the type of variable that can store. 2 to the power n minus 1 for negative, 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1 for positive. Okay, for the integer, like it holds 16-bit, which is n stand for bit, so it will goes 16 minus 1 to the power 2 to the power 16 minus 1. Okay, and the for positive, 2 to the power 16 minus 1 minus 1. So this is the data that can hold by integer. So you can calculate which type holds how much data. Okay, you can take as assignment and post your answer in comment below. Now let's declare a variable. To declare a variable, we use dim syntax. Okay, now the variable name is number thinness. Okay, now and as is type, like I am going to store integer. Okay, let's assign 100 and 1001 in number. Now let's print number. Okay, save, press F5 to run. Now here it is printed 1001. If let's check if p stores floating point data, floating point value, then what's happened? Let's save it again. F5 for run. Okay, let's see. Here it's ignore the decimal value. After point it will ignore. So it holds only 1001. Okay. So the fourth, this purpose, if you want to store decimal value, just dim use next, just declare a next variable which is float value. Value. Okay. Sorry. As is type single type single. Okay. Okay. Now let's print it. Save. Press F5 to run. Let's see. 12.09 is printed. Okay. In case of a string, my name as a string. Okay. So assign my name is equals to because print my name. Save it. Press F5 to run. Okay. Oh, sorry. I have used underscore here. Run again. Now see, because is printed. In other programming language, Boolean is also supported. Okay, but in QBasic, Boolean is not supported. Let's check it out. Is true as Boolean. So here is a error. Wait on Boolean. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Unknown type. So in this status bar, we got a message unknown type. Okay. So this in QBasic Boolean type is not supported. In case we will use what integer for the Boolean is true as integer. Okay. So we will assign is true equals to 0, 0 in case false and 1 in case true. So I hope it makes sense to you. In next video, we will learn about if statement. Okay. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.